Hey, hi, hello, and welcome to another episode of Artist Glamorous channel. And in this video, I'll be reviewing a very budget-friendly magic liner, as it says, which I am in love very recently with this liner. Though my favorite liner in budget is the Lakme water resistance liner, but this one nowadays I'm loving this. This is none other than the Biotic Magic Liner Water Resistance eyeliner, as it is. And also I will talk about the review of this because I have used this already for 2 weeks now. So I will talk about the details of the packaging too, because the packaging, as they claims, are smudge proof, waterproof, intense black eyeliner to define your eyes. So they claims this. So I'll be talking details about this in this video. First you see the packaging, though I will throw the video of unboxing which I unboxed when I unboxed, and I bought this online from Nykaa. You can also purchase this from Purple, and also this is available in Amazon and Flipkart, also from www.biotic.com, which is their official website, and get some discounts also. Biotic products are now available in mostly all every malls and also in supermarkets too. So without wasting your time, let's get started to this. So this is the eyeliner. You can see this is a Biotic Magic Skincare Water Resistance Eyeliner. Makes my eyes pensive natural. It also written skincare 100% vegan. So I'll be reviewing this product, but first I will open this and use this for the next week. Then I will, for at least a week, then I will review this product. It is 100% vegan infused. So you can see the packaging is quite good. Biotic products, I love Biotic skincare products. Biotic natural makeup range. So there the manufacturing and customer care details are given there. This is the Biotic website. You can also purchase a product from their website, and also available Amazon, Flipkart, everywhere. The net volume is 9 ml. It is water resistance eyeliner, smudge proof, water resistance, intense black eyeliner to define your eyes. Shake well before use. It is a midnight black EL63 variant. This is the color. Let's see whether what they are writing and claiming are true or not. The shade name is midnight black, and date of manufacturing is 12/20/20, and the batch number is given, and then the MRP of this is 120 rupees, and used before is 11/23. That it makes at least 3 years of shelf life. Mostly all Biotic skincare products also has 3 years of shelf life. This is recyclable vegan product and recyclable packaging. So nothing else is written on the packaging, so let's open this quickly. The packaging is too good at this price range of just rupees 120. This is very unexpected that they have packaged it too well. Finally it opened. The board is really hard and the packaging is well. So if you're buying it online, no tension of spoilage because the packaging is good. It is a glass container, very steady, looks very steady. So let's see after use. Here nothing else is written except Biotic Natural Makeup Magic Liner Water Resistance Eyeliner. Here the midnight black, the shade name, shade number, 9 ml, the manufacturing, batch number, and use before is given. Here shake well before use is written. All Biotic manufacturing details are given, and also customer care details, and the same thing written on the outer packaging is written here. Nothing else is written on this. Has a plastic cap. So let's see how it used. So this is shake it well before using, so I'm just shaking it well. So yeah, let's use this for a week, then I'll definitely review this. because I don't review on claims and all. I use the products myself, and when I see a visible result or visibly any benefits or side effects, then I review the product. So firstly, I have not put in any eyeliner on my eyes, so I will be directly applying this and showing you. First, as the shade number again, I will tell you, Midnight Black AL63. It has a very nice pigmentation, a very bright black pigmentation. It is not a matte black, it is a bright black pigmentation. So I'll just apply and show you. So obviously shake well before using, and the applicator is too good, and I feel this is the main reason why I'm liking this too much. The cap is not so good. If it falls, it will definitely break. The glass quality is good, it will not break, but the plastic cap will definitely break quickly. So this, you can see the one stroke application is like jet black. Even multiple stroke will give you a jet black color. So the applicator, the length of the applicator is too much, which I feel is too good for applying, and it also gives you the assurance that your liner will be of the exact shape you wanted. You can easily see on the mirrors too and apply this. So I'll just get my mirror and apply this. Even the newcomers can also use this. I mean the new users, the people, the teenagers who are recently using liquid liners, and like they cannot use liquid liners properly, then this will be the best option for them to use in the first time, because this gives a good handy look towards the mirror and also easy application. The brush is too good and has a very nice applicator, which gives you a very smooth and thin lining. So I'll just quickly apply on the other eye, then talk about the other details of this product. So it has a great application, very quick application, also a jet black application, as I already told. Next thing I felt about this product after using, it stays for a good long of 4 to 5 hours if you don't get sweat. But if you're getting sweat, then it gets ruined. As this is, it is totally smudge proof. It's not true. It is smudge proof, that is true. But if you get sweaty, because this is summer, so you will be tend to get sweaty. So if you get sweaty, then it little fades away. It doesn't falls off, but it fades away. Next thing I felt about this product was, it is little waterproof. It doesn't goes off with just sprinkling the water. You have to use a good kind of face washes, and it is not like necessary that you have to use a harsh face wash or a like eye remover. You can definitely use any wipes to remove this, or also you can use any mild face wash which you use for your face to remove this. It easily goes away. Another thing, when it gets inside your eyes by chance when you are applying this, then I will tell you that it doesn't irritate your eyes much. Yeah, obviously getting something on your eyes gets irritated, but this doesn't irritate much. So for teenagers, I think this is a very good option to use as a new beginner to this kind of liquid eye looks, or beginner to liquid eye liners. Then this is a very good option for that. Water resistancy, if it will rain, then it will get ruined. Literally it will get ruined. But that I was told that I told you that sweatiness, it fades away, but it doesn't falls off. Another thing, that eyeliner to define intense black, yeah, it is intense black. So this was all that they wrote about this, and I think the claims are true. Water resistance is true, but sprinkling some water on your eyes will not actually remove this eyeliner, but in a heavy rainfall it will obviously be removed. Another thing I felt about this product is at this budget range you are getting 120 rupees, the MRP is, and I got it around 110 rupees. The 9 ml of product at this price range is too good and budget friendly. Definitely try this out. I will tell you that this 9 ml will go for a long 6 months if you're using it daily. So that was what I felt about this product, and that was the uses of this product. Obviously biotic is not a cruelty obviously a cruelty free, not tested on animals, has a recyclable packaging, so you guys can definitely give it a try. For teenagers, for any age, people can try this out and try many other looks. And this for me gets a 8 out of 10. I think this is a perfect package with a good applicator that also gives you a visibility on your mirror and apply nicely, gives you a grip on the applicator to do any designs, any wings you want very easily. If I compare this with the Lakme eyeliner water resistance, which is a small one, the applicator is too small, which doesn't gives it a proper application. So you can invest 120 rupees, because that is something of 100 rupees I think. So you can invest 120 rupees, 20 rupees more and get this. It is available everywhere. I think it will be helpful for you. So if this video is helpful for you, then please hit on that like button and comment us below any other video content you wanted us to make and what you felt about this product. Do share it with your friends who are really in like searching some liquid eyeliners, because liquid eyeliners having this jet black colors look really nice, so you can definitely try this out. And for beginners it's the best. Else for gifting purpose, I think this is best for gifting purpose, because the packaging is too good. It looks like so costly and luxurious product packaging, but yeah, it is so budget friendly. Yeah, that was all shared with your friends. Subscribe to our channel, and if you wanted to get notified, then click the bell icon beside the subscribe button. And also if you wanted to see any other video contents like this, the product review of makeup product review of skincare product DIYs and many more on this channel, then do get on the description box below in our channel and on the video and playlist, so you'll get many video options there. So hope you stay blessed, stay happy, and bye bye.